Grilling season is here, and whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn to elevate your BBQ game. Today, we're diving into hands-on, step-by-step grilling techniques that will have your friends and family talking about your skills for weeks. Welcome to the ultimate guide for perfect grilling.
Hi, I'm Hostname, and today I'm going to walk you through some expert tips, tricks and techniques to make sure you grill like a pro. We'll cover everything from fire control to meat prep to different grilling methods and of course the pros and cons of each. Let's get started. The first step to any great grill is preparing your fire. Whether you're using charcoal or gas, this is where the magic begins. With charcoal, you want to create two heat zones, direct and indirect. This will allow you to sear your meat over the hot coals, then move it to a cooler side to cook through. Make sure the coals are glowing red before you start cooking, and avoid cooking over flames which can cause the food to burn. Now, if you're using gas, the process is a bit quicker. Simply preheat your grill to the desired temperature and you're ready to go. The key to successful gas grilling is maintaining consistent heat, so don't open the lid too often and keep an eye on the temperature gauges. Let's talk techniques. There are two major methods, direct and indirect grilling. Let's break them down. Direct grilling is perfect for steaks, burgers and veggies. You'll place the food right over the hot coals or direct flame. Look at that beautiful sear. The high heat locks in the juices and flavor. For steaks, aim for about 4 to 5 minutes per side depending on thickness, but don't rush. Let the meat develop that crispy charred exterior. The pro of direct grilling is that you get that charred smoky flavor and perfect sear. But the con, if you're not careful, you can easily burn the outside while leaving the inside raw. So make sure you're using a good thermometer to check internal temperature, especially for thicker cuts. Now, for larger cuts like chicken, roasts or ribs, we'll use indirect grilling. This method allows for slow cooking without the risk of burning. With indirect grilling, the food isn't in direct contact with the heat, but it still cooks through by convection. This is great for tougher meats that need time to tenderize. You can also add wood chips for extra flavor. The big pro of indirect grilling is the even cook and moisture retention, especially for larger cuts. The downside, it takes longer, so it's not ideal if you're in a rush. Let's level up with some expert tips. For those looking to take their grilling skills to the next level, here are a few tricks that make a big difference. First, controlling flare-ups. A flare-up happens when fat drips onto the coals or burner and causes a sudden burst of flame. Don't panic, just move the food to a cooler part of the grill and wait for the flame to subside. You can also prevent flare-ups by trimming excess fat off your meats before grilling. Now don't forget your veggies. Grilled vegetables can be as delicious as meat. For the best results, toss your veggies in olive oil, salt and pepper before grilling. Try grilling them on a vegetable basket or skewers for easy flipping. One pro, veggies develop a deep, smoky flavor with a slight crispness. The only con is that they can cook quickly, so keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. Grilling delicate items like fish. Try using a grilling basket to keep them from falling apart. Preheat the grill well and brush the fish with a light coating of oil. The pro of grilling fish is that it gets a great flavor, but the con is that it can dry out if overcooked. A good rule of thumb, 10 minutes of cooking for every inch of thickness. Finally, after your food comes off the grill, let it rest for a few minutes. This helps retain the juices and gives you a perfect, juicy result. Resting is crucial, especially for larger cuts. The downside is that waiting can feel like torture, but trust me, it's worth it. Well, there you have it, everything you need to know about grilling like a pro. Remember, the key to perfect grilling is control. Control the heat, control the timing, and most importantly, have fun with it. Now fire up that grill and get cooking.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more expert grilling tips. Until next time, happy grilling.